Typhoon Haikou made landfall on the east coast of Taiwan on Sunday, September 3, 2023, in the afternoon. It is a very strong typhoon that hit Taitung Ndongha, directly facing the Pacific Ocean. The Taiwan Central Weather Bureau, CWB, issued warnings for this typhoon, with maximum sustained winds near the center reaching 40 meters per second and gusts of 50 meters per second. The average radius of strong winds is more than 15 meters per second, with a minimum surface pressure of 950 hectopascals. The CWB warned of heavy and very heavy rains from Sunday afternoon to Monday afternoon in several regions, including Hualayan County, Taichang City, Pingdong County, Elon County, and Taitung County. Mountainous areas and various cities across Taiwan were also under heavy rain warnings. Typhoon Haikou brought destructive winds, torrential rains, storm surges, and violent sea surges, causing potential landslides and flash floods. As of the latest update, Haikou was located 244 kilometers south of Taipei, Taiwan. It is expected to weaken slightly as it crosses Taiwan's central mountains before moving toward the Taiwan Strait and possibly making a second landfall along the coast of China's Fujian province in the next 36 hours. 2 people were injured, and nearly 10,000 homes lost power when the typhoon hit Taiwan. More than 9,300 households in Taitung and Hualayan counties lost power. Schools and work were closed in several counties and cities in southern and eastern Taiwan as a precautionary measure. The typhoon also caused the cancellation of numerous domestic and international flights departing from Taiwan. Taiwan's President Tsai Ing-wen urged the public to stay safe and avoid dangerous activities. The impact of Typhoon Haikou was felt in various regions, with fallen trees, downed power lines, and power outages reported. Evacuations were carried out in high-risk areas, with thousands of people moved to safety. Large parts of Hong Kong and the coastal mainland had suspended business and transport activities, but most restrictions were lifted. Despite the typhoons, the Chinese military continued operations near Taiwan, although no violations of Taiwan's airspace or maritime boundaries were reported. Road closures were announced along several sections of Provincial Highway No. 9 due to the typhoon. The Taiwan Railways Administration suspended service on certain railway lines, and some national forest recreation areas were closed to visitors.